So today we are going to discuss about the regular expression. In regular expressions, we are discussing about some of the first we learned about what do you mean by regular expression. Suppose when you are in your last class, we have opened the file operation, like how to open the file, how to read, write, different functions. Like when you are handling with any of the information, like we are using the online character, strings, or text in a file. So regular expression is used to match the text or a certain portion, like how we are using in your word, find and replace the word we are using the find. Same way you are using the regular expression in the Python that is used to identify the certain text or operator or certain pattern that we are using in our file that should be searched. Like we are using the flag or search flag in the regular expression operators to identify which type of information. Suppose like we are identifying in this presentation, green denotes the character class, yellow denotes repetition quantifier, and orange denotes search flag. So certain colors were given in this presentation for representing ourselves. For let us see one example how the regular expression can be used in our Python. So next we will learn certain basic of the regular expression. Like which are the basic is there? Suppose where you already use the word the symbol like escape, reserve character. If you want to use a slash, it is invalid because you should have certain information like valid identifier. Like reserved characters are include certain. When you are using the regular expression, we may come across the certain the reserved character like dot, star, question mark, opening bracket, flower brackets, and other brackets. So we are using the opening bracket, closing bracket, flower brackets. These are some of the reserved characters that we are using in the regular expression to identify the special meaning and the statements in your regular expression for searching any pattern or the strings in regular expression. So like where some of the information we'll use like text matching. When you want to match any text, we're using the pattern. Regular expression match the plain text. Suppose if your example, the name you are identifying. So name or the file we are identifying. I want to print the information if it is matches with the word. This will match with DN. If we are searching for the name DN in a particular file, if it is matches, then it will print the information. So this is the line we have matched the information. Sometimes we want to identify the text whichever matches. Here the full text matching with the anchor. Suppose if you are using the name string or the character that is name with the dollar, I use the word cap slash. Here I written the directly dan, here I written the slash dan, means it will print the entire line that contained with the word dan. But if you use it directly this one, it will print only the particular word. So only matching with the anchor in the front of the line means entire line is will going to be identified. Still the end of the line, all the information is going to be printed. So cap indicate front, dollar indicate end of the line. Here starting of the line, end of the line, that have been identified for the regular expression matches. So as I said, these regular expressions will be used to search the information in the file. Like how it is going to be searched, like order of the result, how we are using, what type of information you are using. So this type of searching can be done. We will take one example on how to search the content. So you can see here we are written import array. Import array indicate Here the word we are using array. Array is for regular expression. Array indicate regular expression. So here we are checking the if the string starts with the letter and ends with the span, then it will give whatever we are going to print. Suppose the text I written is txt is the rain in the span. So this is the one line text or the strings we are using. You may use text or you may use file also. That is secondary. We have taken the text as a one variable, that string variable that contain the rain in the span. So x equal to RA means regular expression dot search. So I am searching. So is as I used here cap. Cap indicate beginning of the line. So I am searching whether the text which starts with the word the. So I am identifying the, I am searching the word. First word it should start with the, then and with here I am using the dollar. Dollar indicate end of the line. So the end should be span. The first line should be the and end should be span. That information is present. We are going to search in the text. If it is present, it is considered as true. Then if x colon, if the given information is search is found, if it is true, then it will print yes, we have matched. Otherwise, no match. Just I will replace the word here. THR. Now I'll run it. When I run, whether any the string found with the THR, the starting word of THR is not THE. That's why we got the result no match. So in this way we are using the regular expression. Keep in mind it's a case sensitive. Suppose if I use the TH capital E, then also it will give the no match, because you may read the, but it's a case sensitive. You have to keep in mind whenever we're searching, you have to keep in mind whether I'm using the word uppercase letter or lowercase letter, then only it will give the result. Then we got the result as we have a match form. So in this way we are using the search function in regular expression. So cap indicate beginning, dollar indicate end of the string. So we'll continue with our slides. Now, it's allow the only the certain character as I use. Like here, the word we are using capital A to Z, small letters have different meaning. As I already told you, it's used for different purpose. Capital letters, it is case sensitive. Capital letters and small letters are different. So as we are using the information here. Now certain special characters we are using. Slash D means single digit. If I use slash D for the string, it consider single digit. If I use slash W, match word character A to Z or small letter A to Z. Small slash B indicates the word with the boundary B. The word with the boundary, here I have taken the word as word, WRD, means whichever the boundary word we are using with the particular flag, that is going to be printed. If I use the slash h, means white space is going to be considered. So these are the certain information that we are using with the slash symbol. That is special character that should be used at the beginning of the or end of the regular expression. So we'll take one example like body parts is the one variable that contain dollar slash w matches ear etc. So the things we are using, what are the things we are using? So think we are 1 2 3 strikes and we are using slash h comma slash j. So matches equal to 2. We are using the word 2. So as we are finding slash d indicate digit. So we are identifying the digit. So how many digit we are using? So as we are seeing here, slash d for the single digit, slash s for the white space. So first we are identifying the white space, then digit. So you can see here there are digits are there. 1 2 3 three digits are there, but we are using the what the condition I use, slash s. Slash s means white space. Here the white space is there. After one is a digit, but before that there is no white space. First it starts with the white space, then digit. White space, digit, count 1. Then white space, digit, count 2. So match equal to 2. We got 2 matches. As you can see, I changed here in this things. There is a space only one, space 2, and there is no space for the 3. Then we at that time it will give match equal to 1. So what we have used, slash s slash d slash means we are identifying the information in the string. So identify what are the things we are using. Same way, another example, we will take one more example so that it will identify how to use the regular expression. Like repetition allows. So we'll take, before going to the repetition, we'll take one another example how it is going to be work. Like we have taken import array text, the range span, but research slash s. We are using the word here slash s. So already we have discussed about the slash d slash s, the information. Then print text. There is any space in between the text, as there is a space in between. So we are using space, the after space we use rain, after the space we use in, after the space use. If it is available the space in the given text, then it will print the first white space character is located in the position comma x dot start. So what are the position we got here? You can see the position is third. In the position third, we got the first start. As a string starts with 0 position, 0, 1, 2, and third position is our first space. So in this way, we are going to identify the information. Suppose I will edit the string. So we'll change the string and I will run it. Now the position is going to be changed. Now instead of 3, it got the position is 7. The first white space position is 7. So you can read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So because the position starts with 0, 0 to 6, and 7th is the position we got white space. Same way we will going to search the string. So number, suppose if I want to search a number, so then I will have to use here slash d. So it will identify the position. The 12th position is we got the digit. If you are not getting idea, so I will write at the 4th position only. Right. I will write at the 5th position. So 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4th is the digit. So first white space we got, sorry, the digit position is 4th. When you're counting here, in this way we are locating your either d or slash s or any other informations. You can also identify, as we learned the slash s slash d. You can also try here. So we'll continue with the slides. Now we are providing certain ranges, like we are using digit 2, 3, the range of occurrence of your matches. Suppose you are maintaining 10 to 999. At that time, how many times it starts with the number 5 or any occurrence repetition. So the given expression, regular expression, the one word is repeating again and again, that we can identify using this type of symbol. So we will also see how to identify with an example how to use repetition. Repetition of the given regular expression. So we are taking one more example. Import array, the search function with the matching object. So we are going to identify the matching object in the given text txt, the rain in the span. We are searching only the AI character. whether the AI is present in the text or not. As you can see in the given text, we can see AI is present here. AI is present in the given text. So we have taken one variable x equal to our regular expression dot search AI comma text, means that string, in that string we are going to identify whether AI is present or not. If it is present, what we are going to print, what the information is stored on the x, print x I am using here. Previously we had written the certain text like the words or other type of information we have seen. Now I want to print what exactly AI is stored. So we'll get the result. SRA matched object span as 5 comma C matched AI, means so the word matches AI in a given string, that is going to be printed. That's going to be printed. So this is in this way we can identify the your information like AI, other information. So we are continuing with the slides. We are making certain comparison, greedy and non-greedy matching. Greedy matching gets the longest result possible. Non-greedy means shortest possible. Suppose take one example. The 12th robust is in second in line. So as you can see, the only one word we are using, but we are not using any space. So as slash w star slash d plus we are using greedy. The matches is the first 12th robot is 2. So this much of information we can give. If I use slash w star question mark slash d, here there is no question mark. It is non-greedy. Means only the particular digit starting words we are going to identify. The 12th. First digit font, until the first digit font it will only the non-greedy will give. The first digit is and is 12th. The 12th is the matching result we got if you use non-greedy. If you use greedy, the first and the second information is also going to be printed. Up to how many digits are there, all the information is going to be printed. That's why we call, if you use the greedy means longest result we will get. Start and the end, all the possibilities of the result is going to be used. Just like find all. Non-greedy means find. This is the difference between greedy and non-greedy.